How to install Downloader on Samsung Smart TV. Samsung Smart TVs use the Tizen OS, which does not support the Downloader app, typically available on Android-based devices. However, here are alternative ways to access similar functionality. Method number 1. Use the built-in web browser. Open the Home menu. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote. Second, go to Internet, web browser. Navigate to Apps and select the built-in Internet or web browser app on your Samsung TV. Access content. Use the browser to search for and directly access online content or media from supported websites just as you would with a Downloader app. Method number 2. Use an external streaming device with Downloader installed. If you need the Downloader app specifically, you can use a compatible streaming device. Connect an external device like Fire Stick or Android TV Box, plug an Amazon Fire Stick, Chromecast or Google TV, or Android TV Box into an HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Download Downloader on the device. On the external device, access its app store like Amazon App Store on the Fire Stick and download the Downloader app. Access content on your Samsung TV. Use the Downloader app on the external device and view content on your Samsung Smart TV via the HDMI connection. Method number 3, screen mirroring from a mobile device. Install Downloader on your mobile device, then enable screen mirroring on your Samsung TV. Go to Settings, General, External Device Manager, Device Connect Manager, and enable screen mirroring. Mirror the app from your phone to the TV. On your phone, enable Smart View for Samsung or Cast for Android and select your Samsung TV to mirror contents.